Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This is a 10-minute flow to give you the right kind of boost to handle the rest of the day. So roll out that mat and I will see you soon.
Welcome back. So let's come into a cross-leg position. Close those eyes. Place your hands on your knees in chin mudra. Bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the air going in and out, in and out. Good job. Let's place our right hand on our abdomen. Let's inhale, rise your belly out. Exhale, contract it all the way in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last big inhale. And exhale. Good job. Let's place your hand back on your knees in chin mudra. Let's connect with ourselves and ask ourselves to be focused today and present during the practice. Okay, let's tilt our head towards the mat. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great. Think of our neck. So look to your right, left, right, left. Keep going. Keep your awareness on your neck. Last round. And stop at the center. Good job. Alright, let's bring our hands near our chest, near our waist. Inhale. Raise your hands in this way. Good. Exhale. Go with the breath. Inhale. And exhale. Good job. Big inhale. And exhale. Excellent. Let's come into a cat-cow position. So let's extend our knees to the length of our forearms. Then you're going to place your forearms on your kneecaps. Spread those fingers in front of you. Come into a tabletop. Inhale, drop your belly. Look all the way up. Exhale, arch your back. Gaze towards your navel. You're doing good. Inhale. Feel that spine opening up. Look at the ceiling. Exhale, arch your back. Gaze towards your navel. Good. Inhale. Push that tailbone high. Drop your belly down. Look up. Exhale. Arch your back. Imagine you're a lazy cat. Inhale. One last one. You're going to push your tailbone high. We're going to stay here. Deep breathe. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, arch yourself back to the cat. Good, and we're coming into the child's pose, so you chest your forehead towards the mat. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. So let's come into the top of the mat. We're going to mobilize our rest of the joints. So you're going to go tiptoe on your ankles, right? That's just for the feet. Keep going. Good. Now you're going to balance on your left foot. Raise that right foot up. If you're feeling that you can't balance, holding on to a wall is fine. Don't worry. Remember, it's a complete beginner. So you're going to rotate your ankle, right ankle, to your right side. Then to your left side. Keep your awareness on that joint. Good. You're going to move your knee up, down in this way with purpose. Not just shaking it around, just with purpose and control. Good. Then you're going to plug the toes on the right foot and raise the left foot. You're going to similarly rotate your left ankle to your right side and then to your left side. This is also a great way to promote blood flow. Right? Now we're going to work on our knee. Good job. Keep your awareness now on the knee joint. So with yoga, it's always your awareness with the movement. on your waist. You're going to rotate your waist in circular motion. Good. Keep going now, opposite direction. Good job. Now place your hands like that. So up, down, up, down, up, down. Now bend your elbows, up, down. These are for your elbows. You're going to make a fist with your arms. You're going to punch in front. Punch. Remember, you're going to stop near your rib cage. You're not going to go all the way down, right? With force, right? Good. You're going to spread those fingers, right? And you're going to bring them in front of your chest. You're going to move them like a dancer. So this is really good to mobilize our finger joints, our wrists. And you're going to bring them back all the way towards you. Good job. Alrighty. So keep your feet apart, hands apart. We're going to deep breathe. Deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Good job. Alrighty. Great. So meet me at the top of the mat. You keep your feet in V shape, hand to the heart center. So this is like a flow, right? Yogic flow is like a movement, right? Like a dance together. So poses in together. So inhale, raise your hands up, push your pelvis in front. Exhale. Keep bending forward. Good. Stay here, relax your arms. Now we're going to cycle. So imagine you're going to bend your left leg, right knee. Left knee, right knee. Good job. Alright, now we're going to bend both knees. Place your palms beside your feet. Right foot behind, palms properly placed on your mat. Look up. Good. And we're going to push your left knee behind. We're going to come into a plank. So you're going to tighten those glutes, tighten the core. You're going to look in front. You're doing great. Knees to the mat. Deep breathe. You're doing good. Deep breathe. Good. Let's do one more plank. Right, you're going to come into the plank. Keep gazing towards the front. And knees to the mat. Good job. And you're going to go into a child's pose. So that's just to the mat, towards the mat. Forehead on the mat and deep breathe. Deep breathe. Good job. We're going to look in front. Tap those toes. We're going to go into the famous downward dog. So you're going to raise those knees up. Walk your feet apart and push through your shoulders. If your heels don't come all the way down towards the mat, that's fine. So you're just going to bend your knees and stay in this position. This is an easy variation for the downward dog, right? For complete beginners. Okay. Then you're going to bring your feet together. Still you're going to be bending your knees and you're going to push through your shoulders. Now if you can ease up on the knees a little bit, right? You're going to stay here. Push through your shoulders. Good job. And knees to the mat. And Shashankasana, that's child's pose. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Good job. You're going to look in front. Bring your right foot in front, in between your palms. Look up. Left foot in between your palms. Straighten those knees. Inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale to center. Good job. Keep your feet apart, hands apart, and deep breathe. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Good job. So the warm-up sequence is complete.